About personal leadership. Footprints in the sand. A puzzled dragon. More footprints in the sand. Mermaids gazing longingly at something. Club raised high, ready to strike. Ignoring the dragon, the mermaids, the troll and the cake, the prince reaches his goal. Once upon a time, there was a man who had such a clear sense of his life goal, that he was constantly aware whether what he was doing in the moment was moving him towards or away from his goal. The notion of personal leadership. Deep inside us is something that feels true to each of us. The thing that drives us and lights our fire. That our life revolves around. That makes us endure hardships. That enables us to create the most amazing things, and helps us succeed on a personal and a professional level. Are you aware what is the core emotional goal that your life revolves around? What makes you most happy and satisfied on a personal level? And what can make you most unhappy and dissatisfied if you fail to achieve it? Can you express that emotional goal in a single word? Can you link that word to everything you do and everything you choose not to do? Imagine for a moment that there is such a word, and what it would mean to know it. The mission word constitutes the foundation of personal leadership. Perhaps you already know your mission word. Maybe, at an unconscious level, you know what is the most important emotional premise for you to succeed in your career and to thrive and function optimally. Maybe you know that your mission word is a really good foundation for your communication. That the mission word actually gives you a perfect foundation for most things in life, like a virtual key unlocking your self-love. Imagine what it would mean for you if you knew and consistently acted on your personal mission word. And if you knew that your loved ones, your colleagues, or your supervisor's mission word. When I first began to work with personal mission statements formulated around a core mission word, I assumed that any value word could be a mission word. Through more than 1,500 conversations about personal leadership, I learned that many value words are essentially synonyms, which can be crystallized into 5 mission words. One of these words is particularly frequent, another fairly frequent, and the other 3 fairly rare. Significance, intimacy, creativity, freedom, love. We are probably all driven, to some extent, by all these words, but one of them will carry more weight. That is the one I call the mission word. To understand the relationship between value words and mission words, it may be illustrative to visualize the mission word as a planet. Around the planet you see the other words, orbiting at different distances, like moons of varying sizes, depending on their weight. Like moons orbiting a planet, they make up a coherent system, where all the elements are interconnected and influence each other, and occasionally shade the light. A mission word works in 3 dimensions: inside you alone, inside you in interactions with others, inside you in relation to the topic or task you are dealing with. Ideally, you will be able to balance the 3 dimensions. However, most people have an imbalance in this system, so that the concern for others or for the topic or task outweighs their concern for themselves. They need to restore the balance through a focused personal development effort to allow their personal potential to be fully unfolded. Personal leadership requires you to take responsibility for yourself, to act on your insight into yourself. That is why it is so important to be aware of your mission word, your personal mission, your vision, and your values. That insight lets you know what you are and what you do, why you do it, where you want to go with what you do, and how you want to get there. That knowledge enables you to navigate consciously and deliberately in life and to be present in the moment, because your enhanced awareness enables you to go all in accordance with your mission, your vision, and your values. When you take personal responsibility and embrace your personal leadership, you can determine whether what you are doing in the moment is moving you towards or away from your personal goal. Exactly like the prince in the animation, your personal mission defines how you create value for yourself and others based on your mission word. The basis for your personal mission is to create value through your mission word. In my experience, people's personal visions generally have a great deal in common. Essentially, we all aim to maximize quality of life for ourselves and our loved ones, family, friends, colleagues, and so forth, in ever wider circles that ultimately include the entire world. Being aware of and acting on a key theme for your life will help you succeed on a personal level and, thus, as a leader. And it will help you focus your energy in a way that matches your wishes and needs and thus makes it easier to realize your dreams. Hence, I strongly recommend that you make the effort to discover your personal mission word and thus enhance your personal leadership. Now, let's put it all into perspective. Few of us have learnt to navigate in life and lead ourselves based on our own particular qualities, needs, wishes, and personal goals. When we lead ourselves with personal responsibility, contact, and awareness, we are in a great position to achieve personal fulfillment. Are you aware of how you respond to the influences, distractions, and obstacles you encounter as you move through your day and through life? What determines your responses? When do you turn away from a challenge? When and why do you choose to take it on? Are you aware what determines your responses? Are you in charge, or are you allowing yourself to be led by arbitrary factors or external demands that you have not consciously decided to satisfy? The prince in the animation knows when to ignore dragons, mermaids, trolls, and cakes. That is a source of strength that helps him reach his goal, in this case, the princess. If your personal leadership is strong, you know how to pick your battles. It lets you identify external distractions and know how to deal with them. It's time to reflect. Here follow the exercises. The purpose of these exercises is to enhance your personal leadership, which in turn will improve your quality of life. Sit in a calm space, alone or with a conversation partner. Reflect on each question in turn and sense whether the answer you arrive at feels right to you. Keep your answers brief and write them down. Question 1. What is your mission word? Briefly consider a situation from your professional life and, next, one from your personal life where you felt that being you is just fabulous. Where you felt truly happy and content. Reflect on the situations and look for a common denominator. Consider the 5 mission words and sense which one feels most true. Put the word into perspective in relation to your lived life by applying your mission word to all the contexts in your life where you felt truly happy or truly unhappy. In both types of situations, the mission word will have been either present or missing. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about sustainability, health, animal welfare, psychology, and empowerment, please subscribe, like, and comment. Enjoy your day and have a happy, healthy, and sustainable life.